Your brain isn't a machine, it's a storm. Thoughts aren't still, they're flashes of lightning, sparking and vanishing before you ever catch them. Neurons don't sit in neat rows, humming like gears. They fire in cascades, a storm of voltage, spiking in bursts, then collapsing into silence. Every thought you've ever had was an electrical strike, brief, violent, gone before you grasped it. The cortex is not a processor. It's a restless weather system, billions of cells passing ions across fragile membranes. Sodium rushes in, potassium leaks out. One spark ignites another until a network blazes, then fades. What you call thinking is not steady computation. It's turbulence patterns surfacing in chaos, then vanishing. The hippocampus doesn't store memory. Like a file. It reactivates traces. The prefrontal cortex doesn't hold plans like a shelf. It keeps unstable waves alive just long enough to steer behavior. Even silence in the brain is charged with potential, like heavy clouds before a strike. When the storm synchronizes, clarity emerges. When it falls out of rhythm, disorder shows. Epileptic seizures are lightning gone uncontrolled. Neurons discharging in violent unison. In depression, the storm weakens, sluggish, muted, unable to generate force. In mania, the opposite. The sky alive with relentless strikes. Too many, too fast to contain. But here's the unnerving part. The storm is never still, even at rest. Billions of tiny sparks ripple across the default mode network. That constant hum shapes the sense of self, the quiet narration of who you are. Disrupt it, and the self dissolves. Patients with psychedelic hallucinations or dissociative states describe it the same way. The storm lost its anchor, and identity scattered with the wind. Picture this: two people face the same decision. One storm flickers in the prefrontal regions, balancing inhibition and impulse. The other storm surges unchecked in the amygdala, pulling every strike toward fear. The choice they make feels deliberate, but beneath it, the weather decided. So here's the fracture. You think of yourself as stable, an identity, a mind, a continuity. But the truth is more fragile. You are a momentary arrangement of sparks, a pattern held together by storms that never stop moving. Which leaves the question: if your thoughts are lightning flaring in, gone before you catch them, then who or what is the one that thinks they were ever yours?